Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We're 39 degrees, cloudy outside right now, and we shaved, as you can see, so that's pretty good there. We still got to take care of this hair, though. The hair is an absolute mess, and it looks even longer when, of course, the beard is shorter. Let's see who we got first in the chat with today. We got Gorilla Invictus first in the chat. Gorilla, Nick F, good morning to you. Gorilla, Mark, Honorarium, Gorilla, and Giovanni. Thank all 5 of you guys for being in here right now. Let's check the market out. That's not the market. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $4.17 right now. It's on its way back down, and the spike up to $4.32. 417 with lows hit at 402. Man, I am telling you, AMC wants to test all-time lows once again. 418 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin doing very nicely over the last hour and a half, 2 hours here. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 911 points per coin, bouncing off the 888 lows. GameStop sitting at 1459, up 0.27% today. And Bitcoin down to the bottom left, 43,538. Bitcoin looking very, very strong. Right back up to this level, retesting essentially the recent highs. The only time we were above this line that we're testing right now is on the ETF speculation news. Boom. We had just a couple of candles up above that level, and then we came right back down. So Bitcoin actually looking very strong. If you go back just a month and see that we were testing this level back here at the end of December, that's where we are, and that looks phenomenal there. So we had a little bit of stagnation here with all the ETF speculation and ETF news coming out, but here we are, Bitcoin right back up, $43,500, looking strong and moving higher at the moment. NASDAQ, on the other hand, looking the exact opposite. NASDAQ getting blasted today. Google's down pretty heavy. AMD's down pretty heavy today. Some of the bigger tech stocks out there are slipping. So, of course, the NASDAQ is slipping as well. Down 1.36% at the moment. Got AMC 418, 1461 on GameStop. Dogecoin sitting at 7.99, almost 8 cents right there. Ethereum sitting at $23,348. A nice gain over the last hour and a half, 2 hours here for Ethereum. Shiba Inu coin, like we said, 911 points per coin. Bitcoin, 43,513. SPY, 487. QQQ, 419. You get Molinado sitting at 713. Sundial sitting at $1.35. Netflix, 565. Highcroft Mining, 203. MPW, 322. Tesla sitting at $190. It is back up a little bit from where it was this morning, going from 185 to 190, but it is still down 0.68% on the day today. Amazon 156 and Apple sitting at 185. Both those stocks there are down over 1%, but I want to show you Goog, ladies and gentlemen. Goog is getting hit very hard today. Goog is down 6.30%, down to $143, touching $142.70, but 143, boom, 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 triple bottom at 143 there. Seems to be holding up as its level of support, and overall market heavily dependent on Google. So we're going to have to see if it does maintain those levels or if it breaks back down and moves even lower today. Of course, we will be watching. Let's see. I've seen some of your videos, but I don't understand what you're really promoting. Mr. Planet Profit. The only thing that I ever promote, right, is that you can make your own financial decisions. I don't promote Shiba Inu coin. I don't promote Terra Luna Classic. I don't promote any individual coin or anything like that. What I promote is you being able to make a decision. You being able to do you. It is as simple as that, man. I'll bring you the good. I'll bring you the bad. I'll tell you what I like. I'll tell you what I don't like. I'll do all of that. And at the end of the day, I know that I make my decisions. And I just want to know that you make your decisions. So it is as simple as that, man. I don't necessarily promote any token, any coin, any stock for that matter. The vast majority of the viewers on the channel are viewers because of Shiba Inu coin. So I do have a lot of Shiba Inu coin news. But yeah, man, I'm not out there like promoting anything. Let's see. Yo, what up? Crypto Dreamer says, not my crypto balance. Crypto Dreamer, it's good to have you in here nonetheless, man. Top of the morning, fam. What's going on? Top of the morning, J-Bones. What's happening? Clay, what happened with the ETF token? Didn't go as I was expecting. Yeah, Crypto Dreamer, man. Even just the ETF news not going as I was expecting. Well, let me say this, right? The ETF, Bitcoin ETF token, and also just Bitcoin in general and the cryptocurrency market. Let's say it's a longer term play now. So there was the chance that we would see some buy the rumor, sell the news event, and that is exactly what we got. The actual news is phenomenal for Bitcoin. The actual news is phenomenal for these Bitcoin ETF tokens. The actual news is phenomenal for crypto in general, that it is viewed as a legitimate asset at this point, one that deserves a tradable spot on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and so on. So because of that, it passed the next stage into, I guess, forming a legitimate following. Now we have to wait for the money to flow in. It doesn't happen overnight. We don't just get trillions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin because a Bitcoin ETF is available. We have the opportunity now for trillions of dollars to flow into the cryptocurrency space because the cryptocurrency space, at least Bitcoin, now is viewed as legitimate. So because of that, traders decided, okay, well, we have seen such a nice rally over the last couple of months, and it was on the idea that the ETFs would be approved. Now that the ETFs are approved, what could we possibly speculate over? And the answer is nothing, right? You got the halving coming up, so you got a few things coming up over the next couple of months that traders will begin to speculate on. But surrounding the ETF now, we have to wait for the money to inflow. These traders are simply saying, I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. I'll sell, I'll let the asset come back down, destroy the gains that we had on the speculation, and then, of course, I'll go ahead and buy back in. Then it becomes a long-term play once again. So I think that's a lot of what you're seeing with the Bitcoin ETF tokens and with Bitcoin itself, man, is that, yes, it was phenomenal news, but it did not cause a phenomenal spike up because, of course, it was a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. So, this is for people who already understand crypto, yes? Mr. Planet Profit. Not necessarily, man. A lot of people in here already do understand crypto and have a very solid understanding of crypto. So a lot of the videos that I post are basically news-oriented, and I try my best to keep it as simple as possible. Even if you're a crypto genius, dude, and you've been in the game since 2010, and you're the first Bitcoin owner, and you know everything there is to know about cryptocurrency, you still have a place here. But I do try to make it as simple as possible, and I'm more than willing to answer any questions possible. So, yeah, dude, if you really don't even know what a crypto token is, you've never bought one before, you don't know how to navigate a DeFi exchange, you don't know how to navigate a centralized exchange, I would say this is still the place for you. You just can't be shy. You have to be willing to ask questions, because a lot of the stuff that we talk about, especially during these live streams, because I know basically everybody in here has a pretty good idea of what cryptocurrency is. Some of the terms you might get lost in. Ripple got hacked. I wonder if that executive had two-factor authentication. Malcolm, that I do not know, man. Watch Shiba Inu videos. Mr. Planet Profit, thank you very much for watching. Clay can speak for himself, but I personally promote Honorarium Token. Outdoor Smile. Let's get started. Whoops, hit send before I can correct the text. Suzuki, it's alright. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Looks good to me, man. I don't even know what the typo would have been. Classy Jupiter just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Let me take a drink. But have seen it as an exchange on CoinMarketCap. Is Jupiter growing? As far as I know, yes, Giovanni. I'll pull that up here. But as I was reading through the articles this morning, reading through crypto news, stuff like that, I did see that Jupiter was popping up a few times in the headlines, and I believe, right, there's an airdrop associated with Jupiter as well. But Jupiter is seemingly a cryptocurrency on the Solana network, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't read all about it, but it does seem to be growing as it's getting a lot of attention right now. And it has its new airdropped ICO or whatever they got going on. But we can pull up Jupiter real quick. Because as far as I know, Jupiter's like a bridge, an exchange, something similar to what Radium would be. But let's see if we can find Jupiter right now. Let's come back down to the daily chart. Injective is down 5% on the day today. Jupiter. Hey, is it this one? No? Looked like that symbol. This one's been out. This one. I think it's this one. Dang, man. 56% decline here, but volume is growing heavily. So if you guys are interested in Jupiter, it's already got listings on a lot of these major exchanges. As you can see, just getting listed on CoinMarketCap this morning, 70 cents at the moment, down 56% from where it was this morning. You can get it on Gate.io, HTX, Orca, Hotcoin, Binance, Orca, Orange, Bing, Mexi, BitGet, LBank. You can get it all over the place. But, yeah, Jupiter getting its CoinMarketCap listing this morning. It's on KuCoin as well out here. But, you know, I'm not sure. As far as I know, these guys are like a bridge, decentralized exchange type of a deal. I've never used them. But, yeah. So, let's see. You're going to get your USDC. Let's say you want to trade Tether for Solana. 100 Tether gets you 1 Solana, almost 1 Solana right there. So connect your wallet, you'll be able to swap right there to grab your Solana. You can also bridge over to a couple different assets if you would like. Let's see. Oh. Alright, so they do have quite a few different. They've got a lot of assets that you can grab there. So, yeah, man, if you're looking to bridge your Tether over to Solana, or, let's see, do they have Ethereum? Huh. Yeah, I don't know if you can use Ethereum on there. But this is Jupiter's website. And getting a lot of attention this morning because, of course, they're sitting here. It is very volatile, so if you guys want to jump into them, man. So, Clibro hosted a space yesterday. A lot of great questions about the future of Honorarium. Just talking about our goals. We had the questions come up as well. How do I get started in crypto? We had all various answers, but the general idea is that there's not a set way of doing it. To gather information for yourself, do your own research, and make the choice for yourself, and there's always people willing to help. 100% agree with Honorarium. Hood Bro, how about them hoodies, etc. merch coming along with the Shib Burns, asking questions. So I did not look at the total numbers today. But I think what I'm going to end up doing, and please don't hold me accountable to this because I don't know if I'll do it for sure. But the numbers are definitely going to be in between 15 and 20 million Shiba Inu coin accumulated throughout the month of January. I may, don't take that as I will. I may round that number all the way up to the 25 million just so that we can burn 25 million and not go back down in numbers. But I haven't been keeping track on a daily basis, but I know for a fact it's going to be between 15 and 25 million, or 15 and 20 million. But I don't know, because on one hand, I never want it to be like my money burned. On the other hand, dude, I can't stand to digress. So I don't also want to go back down in numbers. I would always love to hit 25 million every month at the minimum, and then only grow from there. So I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place here as to whether I just want to go, if it ends up being like 18 million, just burn the 18 million, or if I want to round it up and stay 25 million and never, lose ground, but have a 25 million base right there. So I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with that, but the numbers right are in between 15 and 20 somewhere. So we'll see if I round up or not. But, well, I mean, what would you guys do? You know what I mean? What would you guys do in that situation? Because I don't want it to be, I only want it to be strictly leveraging Amazon burns, but at the same time, man, I can't stand it if we're losing ground and we set up a nice 25 million SHIB base there, and now I don't know if I should keep it at 25 million SHIB base and, of course, burn some of my money, or just take a little bit of a hit this month and say, come on, guys, now you need to utilize that link a little bit more. I understand you were Christmas shopping during December, but you continuing to shop, don't forget to use that link. P.S. I don't promote anything. I'm just an investor. Honorarium token, a Dragon on Solana, honorarium token, Claybro hoodies and tees, as well as honorarium token hoodies and tees. I've bought, still not promoting. Absolutely, man. I don't think anybody necessarily promotes anything, right? And even if you see videos on my channel, anybody else's channel, even if they're promoted videos, right? Even if they're sponsored videos, it's still just to bring awareness to that project. It's no different than seeing a commercial, right? If you see a commercial on TV, or if you're watching a YouTube video and you see a commercial, it's just a sponsorship. It doesn't mean it's an endorsement or anything like that. So, yeah, promoting is a very strange word. But bringing awareness and knowledge to everybody is probably a better way of looking at things. Out there, Smart, Jupe is pumping since 10:15 a.m. Yeah, Jupe is doing pretty well this morning. I don't know why it's down since the CoinMarketCap listing there, but 70 cents is looking pretty solid right now. SUI just passed 160. Whoa, oh, that was SEI that was down, I think, today. SUI. Man, there's so many different cryptos you got to keep up with. SUI, $1.60. Very nice, Lonnie. Let me just make sure. SEI was down. Okay. SEI was down today. SUI, SEI. My gosh, dude. There's so many cryptocurrencies out there. It's nearly impossible to keep up with everything. But you guys definitely keep me on my toes, man. Thoughts on Rain? Pudgy. Let's take a look at Rain. Which one is it? Is it this one right here? Rainmaker Games, Precipitate.ai, or Condensate, or Rain Network? Maybe this one. Dang, dude. If it is Rainmaker Games, right, this is an extremely small market cap coin. $1 million right now. Has done nothing but come down. Well, we do have some data here. February of 2023 is where we go to. So February, oh wow, all the way back down to here. Well, you know what? February 2023, the price was double what it currently is. February 2023, the market cap was like 5 times what it normally is. So I don't even know how that happens unless massive amounts were burned. Now, looking at it, it is strange that this coin has gone down 99.75%, but volume has massively increased lately. So that would be the only... Actually, no, that's a 10x decrease in price since February. 10x decrease in price from where we are right now. Is this the Rain you're talking about, Pudgy? Looks like it. If that's the Rain you're talking about, man, I don't know why they would have decreased that far. It may be due to dilution, because if you look at this, the price action here in February of 2023 is 10 times higher than you currently are. But the market cap is 5 times higher than you currently are. So my first thought is that this coin came out and there was much less than 661 million RAIN in circulation, and they have since diluted and diluted and diluted and diluted and diluted. I don't know if they're going to continue diluting or not, but that's the only thing that really makes sense in this situation for me, is to see such a dramatic price decrease. Even though the volume has been phenomenal and picking up nicely, the actual price action hasn't been doing so. So I would wait until it drops back down to this 3.0 and an 8, 3.0 and a 9 area to get back in, since it is on such a heavy decline. But dude, if it really is doing $1 million, $2 million, $5 million per day in volume, yeah, it could spike back up like this. I wouldn't want to have it as a long-term hold if they continue to dilute. So if you're thinking about it, man, just think about it that way. Let's see, a tax return looking juicy. Definitely gonna be loading some bags. Nice honorarium. The way I look at it, if a coin hit $100 last bull market, we should see the same token surpass $1,000 at the top. Let's see what Bitcoin actually does. Now, Lonnie, that it does make sense, right? I don't necessarily expect that to be for every cryptocurrency during the next bull market, though. The only reason I say that is because last bull market we had roughly a $3 trillion total market cap in the crypto space. I don't think that during this next bull market we can expect a 10x increase across the board and see a $30 trillion market cap in the crypto space. Now, one day I definitely do, right? If we get $50 trillion in the stock market, I think we're going to have $50 trillion in the cryptocurrency market one day, especially with the cryptocurrency market being global. But I don't think we're going to see that in like the solid product. Yeah, but across the board is what I'm saying, though. A 10x increase during the next bull market across the board, to me, is just probably too much. Decades down the road or 10 years down the road, yeah, I'll go with that. But like, I don't see Bitcoin hitting 70,000 or 700,000, during 2024, 2025. I think it needs more years than that to hit 700,000. But I do think we get there, man, because I think $30 to $50 trillion is legitimate based on the current value of the stock market. I definitely think that the crypto market can have that one day. Let's see. Instead of monthly, just burn every time you get to 25. Stig Beater. That could be another one. That could be another way of doing it. And that way, at least it always stays right at the 25 million number. And I never have to burn less. Actually, I kind of like that one. Oh. I kind of like that idea, Stig, because then, it doesn't necessarily come down to, okay, well, yeah, man, I'll be burning 25 billion at one time. But if I'm burning 25 million every single time, maybe we get to the point, dude, where I'm burning 25 million every single day. And then at that point, we can, look at it again. Because going in there and doing it every single day is not that big of a hassle. But if it literally does come down to every day or twice a day or, something crazy, then we can up the threshold to 50 million or whatever. But, yeah, Stig's got a decent idea on that one. Then I never burn less than 25 million. And I never have to, it's always leveraging Amazon's money and never using anybody else's money. I actually like Stig Beater's idea on that one. I might do that. The way I look at it, if a coin hit one, I saw that. I wish they would dilute coins in the bear market. Yeah, that would be very, very nice. Just get it out, get it done, and then, come on, man, instead of stopping progress. There's one that I've been monitoring very closely. It's Flow Network, and if you put in $1,000 right now, and it hits what it did at the last all-time high, my goodness. Flow Network. Are we get 1,000x, Dark? Are we gonna make $1 million? Oh, I said Dark. Are we going to make $1 million? What's going to happen here? Flow. Is it this one? I don't know if it's this one or not, Dark. Yeah, dude. I mean, if it is this one and you 50x'd your money, that could be very nice. That could be very nice, Dark Bro. Now, the thing with the market cap that I'm seeing right here is that we're currently at a $1 billion market cap. What is this? October of 2021. Okay, October of 2021 here. The price at $16 took you to a $5 billion market cap. So I think this could be another case with the max supply being unlimited. I think flow here could be another case of a lot more tokens issued now than we had issued back in 2021 during those all-time highs. So, Dark, I'm not sure if this is the honorarium, sorry. I'm not sure if this is the flow that you're talking about, but because its supply is unlimited, I don't know what I wish they had another thing that you could graph on CoinMarketCap that did show you, like, circulating supply. So you could see the amount of tokens. We get 1.4 billion now, but circulating supply back then was 400 million. That would be very beneficial. So CoinMarketCap needs to think about that. Just adding, because you can't add that anywhere, right? I don't think that's something that you can graph on CoinMarketCap. That should be a variable that you could add to your graph there. How much longer to the news, brother? What news we talking about, man? Are we talking about the interest rate decision? Or are we talking about something else, Shazelle? Which one are we talking about? I don't know much about it, to be honest. Just learned about it a while ago. Looked right, though. Gotcha, Pudgy. All right. Yo, bros. No toast. What's going on, Clay? Checking out EAG. Might buy in. All right, EAG. Go get it before Giovanni does, man. Giovanni is the man when it comes to these coins. EAG. What is going on with this graph, Giovanni? Why you show me stuff like this? It's got tiny volume. Emerging Assets Group. Why do I feel Giovanni, this is so familiar. Now, I don't know if this is the same one or not, but EAG in this like black and gold symbol. Dark Bro, I don't know if you remember when I was doing a couple lives on TikTok, there was a dude on there, I think I saw he was from Egypt, and he wanted me to buy into EAG. Was it EAG that he was trying to get me to buy into, or you have no idea what I'm talking about? Because I think it's this one, but I don't remember if it's this token or not. Giovanni, do some more research on it and let me know what you come up with, man. But I had like a kind of a weird encounter with some dude that was telling me I need to throw thousands of dollars at EAG on TikTok before, and I'm not sure. I'm big on political TikTok lives now. Nice! Pudgy, are you doing the political TikTok lives, or you just go in there and have some fun in the comments, or what? I bet we see Solana surpass $2,000. Holy smokes. Lonnie, man, if we see Solana pass $2,000, I think that's actually possible, dude. If Solana keeps it up, a lot of people are saying Solana is going to flip Ethereum and so on. I don't know if it will, but I do think that Solana can have hundreds of billions of dollars in valuation one day. So I think that's a possibility, man. As long as they continue progressing, I don't see that as terribly crazy. Still doing more research on EAG. Yeah, do it, man. I just had a weird encounter with somebody trying to pump EAG to me before. So let me know what you come up with on that one. It just, I don't know. I think it is the same exact one. Dark Bro seems to think it was the same exact one. So just watch out for that one. We were alive together when that happened. Yeah, man. It's very strange. So just be careful if that was the same one, man. It seems a little weird to me that they would have migrated from an old contract to a new contract, sitting on a tiny little $600,000 market cap right now, and I don't know, you get some dude in Egypt trying to punch to me. You just can't win those battles, Pudgy. No, you cannot. No, you cannot, guys. I'm telling you right now. And that is one of the ways that TikTok, YouTube Shorts, even X, they love the engagement, man. I think that on those shorts and any like political type of live stream, short videos, even long form videos, they shouldn't call it engagement. They should call it enragement. Because I really don't think that anybody is out there like, yeah, this is great. Yeah, that's not the type of comments those videos really try to go for, man. It's to muster up a lot of like hatred and enragement, and instead of engagement, and that enragement leads to engagement. So just be careful with those guys, dude. You probably have such a more beautiful sunshine-filled day if you're watching something like Clay Bro than if you would watching political TikToks or shorts on YouTube or anything like that. Later, guys. Massachusetts doing inventories. You can relate, Dark Bro. All right, Lonnie, man. Well, enjoy your day and don't work too hard, man. Let's see. Also, did I hear right that Ripple was hacked? I didn't see the news, but somebody did say at least the Ripple, one of the guys there was hacked. Solana will flip Ethereum. It's cheaper, faster, and does the same thing. Peter. I mean, it has more benefits. I agree across the board, right? I agree across the board. But I don't know if it'll flip it, right? For some reason, people are willing to pay for things that they shouldn't have to pay for, but they are. And because Ethereum is so much older, it might continue to have a better advantage over Solana. And as Solana continues to grow, Ethereum may continue to grow as well. So it's not going to be easy to flip, but I do believe that Solana will see some massive growth. And if it flips it one day, I hope you guys are holding on to some Solani. Some Solani. Oh yeah, bro. I hate inventory. Does anybody like any aspect of work? I mean, really. Let me know if there's something that you do at work that you absolutely enjoy. Let me know that right now, guys. Let's see. You're better than me, Pudgy. I get all mad, throw stuff, and leave. Outdoor smile provides that enragement engagement. Another mass hole. What? Another mass hole in what? Oh, you got somebody. Oh, is that what we got? Another mass. Is that what you guys call yourselves over there in Massachusetts? Mass hole? Maybe. Mr. Normus. Maybe you and Lonnie can hang out. Let's see. Well, bro, it's been almost 24 hours. I think I ain't getting the girl if that changes. Dark Bro, I was actually thinking about that. I think it was last night, right? Had to have been last night, but I forgot last night if you had said that the day before, or if you had said that in the morning, or when you had said it. I was wanting to ask, dude, but I didn't want to ask in case nothing happened with that. Where did she go, dude? Maybe she fell into a big hole. If she hasn't responded at all, like maybe she fell into a big hole. Because I was thinking, well, dude, you know what? You said it was 13 hours. Maybe you texted her like last night or whatever, and she had a long day, or she was working, and then she literally did. She was looking at it. She saw it. She was thinking about it, and then she didn't know how she felt, so she went to sleep, and she was going to wake up, and she was going to respond to you And then she got nervous. Like, I was trying to, like, justify it in my mind, dude. But if it's been 24 hours now, I just don't know about it, man. I don't know about it. Check out Preem chart. Now brown cow Shiba Eternity. Let's look up Preem chart. Well, she did open the message. Now, she opened the message. I know she thought she's at home right. I know she thought she's at home right now. Snapchat shares location. Snapchat. This dude's been tracking her, man. This dude's been tracking. Yeah, but maybe she doesn't know how she feels, Stark. Maybe she doesn't know how she feels. Or maybe she was, like, out walking without her phone and fell into a big hole. And that was after. She opened the phone, right? She opened the message. She read it. She didn't know how she felt. So she decided to take a walk and clear her mind. But she left her phone in her room. And she went out to walk and clear her mind. And she fell into a hole. And she's been in that hole now for 24 hours. She can't get out of that hole. It's a big hole, man. It's a big hole. So she might be stuck in a hole, dude. That's the only thing I can come up with now. That she read the message. She didn't really know what she wants. She decided to take a walk and clear her mind. Think about it. And as she was walking, she fell into a hole. Big one. It's best I got, Dark. Best I got, man. Preem. Oh, now brown cow. Preme. Preem token. Down 2% on 3% on the 2% on the day today. Tiny little $1 million market cap. Preem is looking okay so far. On the week, it is up 77%. I was going to say 50. 77% on the week there. On the month, 50%. And on the year, it is down, but making its way back up. Now, this goes back to its introduction in October of 2023. The only thing I don't necessarily like about this is that all of the main cryptocurrencies since October have been moving nicely higher. This coin has been moving nicely lower. So it is at a level of resistance at this point. It's 00 and a 6, 00 and a 7. The resistance goes back to November of 2023. If it breaks, you're looking at 0.009 all the way up to 1 cent and then 1.3 cents. So roughly every, 0.2, 0.3 cents, you've got your level of resistance there. If it falls back down, clearly you got a very strong level of support at this 0.004 mark. So that's what I would actually be looking to get into at 0.004 if you do want to buy Preem. But the fact that it's been bouncing nicely on nice volume, I would want to know where that volume came from and whether or not it's sustainable. So as you can see, this spike here correlated to the spike in price. It was doing a couple $100 a day. Some days we're getting zero volume, and then all of a sudden you've got $15,000, almost $20,000 being traded on a 24-hour period, and it rips it up in price. Well, we're on our way back down now, okay? Now it's doing $1,000, $2,000, $4,000 in 24-hour volume here, and that would be my only concern, is that if the volume fades, the price may fade as well. So, Preem token for anybody willing to take a chance, but you really want to see the volume in Preem kind of stabilize and begin to move higher, as opposed to seeing these days where you do $100, $150, $200 in volume. That'll kill a coin faster than anything, man. No volume. Let's see if we're going to say get dark, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a possibility. The more I read EAG, the better it looks. They also have their team name and pictures. Now I have to Google each team member. Giovanni, man, if it's legit, if you figure out that it's legit, I don't know. I'm with you. I just had a weird experience with a dude on TikTok one time that was pumping EAG. So, I don't know. It just seemed a little weird to me. If it doesn't seem weird to you, man, you're picking some serious winners. Well, I'm almost 7 years older than her, but she's made it known that she feels that way to a degree, at least. So I can see, but I think she doesn't know what to say yet, realistically. Honorarium, yeah, man. Dude, I mean, relationships are complicated. You're all right. Dark, tell me you're stalking the script. Tell me. Just look at people up on Snapchat. That's all we're doing. Let's see. Cheers, bud. Oh, now brown cow. Shiba Eternity, man. What's going on? Oh, now brown cow, man. Oh, now brown cow. Sorry if I'm getting the name wrong there. You're a pretty good player, Shiba Eternity, right? Haven't I seen you out on X before? I mean, you got the same name on X. Haven't I seen you out on X talking about Shiba Eternity or been in some posts about like winning tournaments and stuff? All right, back to crypto. Where's XRP? Honorarium. Let's find it out. Give her another day. Sausage. Women like to think through things. So listen to Peter, man. Peter's got some good advice for you. And then go see if she's trapped in a hole. Okay? If she doesn't answer you in 48 hours, go see if she's trapped in a hole. Because then you could save the day, and then you'll be her knight in shining armor. All right, Ripple coming all the way down to 49 cents this morning, already back up to 51 cents. And I believe this is correlated to the decline in Bitcoin and then coming back up as well. So if you're looking at the daily chart for XRP, it does look similar to the daily chart for Bitcoin here in the sense that Bitcoin was falling down this morning and then began to rally a little bit off of those lows if it ever pops up. Yeah, Bitcoin coming down here and then rallying nicely off those lows, bringing it back up to $43,500. XRP doing very similar, but XRP, of course, coming down to 49 cents and then bouncing off and coming back up to 51 cents. What happened to John Richmond? I thought he was a big deal for Shib. Pudgy. It is absolutely crazy what happened to John Richmond, right? Now, I forget what the original agreement was with Shiba Inu Coin and John Richmond. But what these kids are basically doing is going to any little boutique shop that will, use the Shiba name, the Shiba logo, or whatever, and trying to ink deals with them. Now, whether that means actually benefiting Shib or what, I don't know, but it does benefit Satoshi. It does benefit the team for Shiba Inu Coin because they're also getting paid to mention John Richmond. They're getting paid to mention Wellies and so on. Whether they're getting paid in NFTs, they're getting paid in actual dollars, euros, whatever, I don't know. But they're getting paid to do these collaborations. John Richmond obviously did not have something hold up. So 100%. This is the deal that they had mentioned several months ago. But, and I don't know if it's because they weren't able to do some stupid fashion show or what the deal was there. But every article of clothing that your avatar is going to wear in the Shib metaverse is going to be John Richmond clothing. Now, I don't know if the ecosystem team is ever going to build a metaverse or not, but if they do, it will be wearing John Richmond clothing. Think about that. Some tiny little boutique shop has made a deal so that 100% of the avatar's clothing in the Shib metaverse is going to be wearing the John Richmond logo. To me, man, that's crazy, right? Why would you give up 100% of the clothing in the metaverse? Unless you really didn't expect to build a metaverse in the first place, you really don't care what you offer these people. That just seems a little crazy, dude. I'd be like, oh, I don't know. Let's make a deal with the Claybro channel, and Claybro can only wear, I don't even know. Just to think of a small clothing brand. For every video and every live stream that he ever does again, and we're going to pay him $100 to do so. And then I got to go buy my own clothes, too. It's nuts, dude. To the bathroom. Hopefully the wall. I know I missed something. What happened to John Richmond? Yeah. What? Walk into? What did I walk into? Mochi. Oh, hopefully a wall. The bathroom. You guys are crazy, man. What happened to Elmo? No one talks about it anymore. Lost its excitement. Hey, Giovanni, it may have. But you know what I did see? Elmo trending on the Solana network like yesterday or 2 days ago. So let's see where Elmo ERC is. Elmo ERC, $766,000 market cap. Much, much, much lower than where it was. 10x lower, 90% decline from where it was back in June of 2023. So, yeah, dude, lost a lot of its excitement. People were buying this dip up right here. Because as you can see, as the price got lower, volume actually increased. And it was doing $740,000 a day. $2 million a day. People buying this up right here in volume. And now the volume is down to $60,000 a day. So, yeah, volume has decreased by 10x. And the price has decreased by 10x. If you look at this one. If you look at Honorarium, Honorarium does have very low volume, but Honorarium has a very nice price. But let me show you Elmo. Elmo was trending on Solana the other day. Yeah, it must have been yesterday. All right, already all the way back down. Yeah, this bad boy was trending yesterday, already on its way back down. This is the crazy thing with these meme coins, man. They run and done. Run and done. But holding up nicely at this little level of support right here, so keep that in mind, guys. If you're looking at Elmo, Elmo's got a $380,000 market cap right here on the Solana network. And boom, boom, boom. Tapping it again here, fall back down, but immediately back up. Boom, boom. So this level of support at about 0.033 is holding up very, very well here. And you could see a 4 or 5x gain if it doesn't die out. What you risk have happening is that it does fall back down through that and comes back down to this level of support either right here at 0.02 or 0.01. And of course from there, dude, you know, you might be done if it comes all the way back down to the first hour of introduction. So Elmo does seem to be doing okay on the Solana network right now, only having been out for like 24 hours, back down to a $388,000 market cap. The highs in this area right here at 0.013 would lead to roughly a 3 to 4x gain from the current prices. So something you guys can look at if you're interested. 10x on Frogger yesterday. Peter! Nice, man. Well, we can pull up Frogger, but which one? I'm sure there's a lot of them. I think I had to mute myself like 50 times because I was laughing too much. I don't even know where you had to mute yourself at. Oh, when was the last time anyone heard about Shib the Metaverse? I don't remember. I have no idea. K9 is their newest scam. They have no shame. Are you talking about the K9 Finance? Is that what you're talking about? Are you talking about another one? Oh, now Brown Cow? I don't know. I might have missed something up in the chat because I seem to be back down a little bit. Elmo still applauding in the background. We'll get spoke about more when they released Meme Alliance. There you, Peter knows about Elmo, man. Good honorarium talk yesterday, Dark Bro. Moji liking it, very nice. Chronotech Crypto looks good. Thanks, broski. I'm going to catch up on that chat later in the bath. Take a bath and listen to the chat, Peter. I think I had to mute myself 50 times because I was laughing too much. Let's see. See ya, Moji. I'm going to hold on to T-Pad a bit longer. I'm still up quite a bit. I think it will get higher. Dude, please tell me T-Pad didn't fall back down drastically today. $15 million market cap yesterday. T-Pad. Oh, jeez, dude. T-Pad's still looking good over the last 24 hours, sitting at a $14 million market cap. Dang, dude, really bouncing around, touching 17. It's a volatile coin. $18 to $14 like it's nothing, man. T-Pad is a mover. Later, Pudgy, you staying or is Moji leaving? I think Shib will sit still until the devs are gone. They took something with the utmost potential, chained it down with promises and lies. Yeah, Pudgy, man. And you know what? The thing is, I don't know if a community will necessarily build, or if a community is going to bring utility to the coin. But what a community can do is speculate and drive price action. You've seen it with Dogecoin, you've seen it with Shiba Inu coin happen in the past, you've seen it with these tiny little meme coins. It can absolutely happen, And I believe the more excited people get about it, the higher the price action will be. If promises are constantly broken because people are constantly looking to developers, what you just described is absolutely what you see. Time times labor times payment times something are the projects associated with Chronotech. Chronotech looks good. Time, labor, payment are the projects associated with Chronotech. Chronotech. Chronotech's got a $15 million market cap. I don't know anything about Chronotech. Never seen it, never heard of it. $21 price point. Not bad. Dude, the month, though, look, you're at that monthly level of support at $20 here. And each time, nicely bounced up to that $25 mark. On the year, it's down, but it's still at a major level of support here. This is an interesting one, man. Would have been nice to get in that dollar range during this bear market here, but Chronotech's an interesting one because it had a beautiful spike at the beginning of January 2022. And it's a legitimate spike with the market cap ribbon to $280 million. But at this $20 price point, you know, you're at some strong support too. If it falls back down below $14, $15 here, seems to be, you know, your major level of support that you've had, unless you go all the way back to 2021 and you're going down to that dollar mark. But Chronotech doesn't look too bad based simply on its technicals, man. I just have no idea what they do. So DK bringing another one to our attention there with a little $15 million coin that has seen price points all the way up to $400, which would be a 20x increase from the current price point of $20. So DK, thank you very much for bringing that to our attention, man. Some people in here might be interested in that one. Let's see, January 31st, no burns. Yeah, January 31st is here, and J Soul, man, no burns. I've been blocked a lot. Jay, the first rule of Shib is don't talk about burns. Rule number 2, you don't talk about Shib burns. You'll be deleted and blocked from the ecosystem team. I know it from experience. Jay's like, I've been blocked a lot. I've been blocked one time. I'm just super blocked on my account there. Moves a lot because there's only a 1 million supply. Oh, of T-Pad. Gotcha. Dude, T-Pad moving. Hey, Giovanni, if you want to check out this Chronotech, man, check out this Chronotech. But it's been around for quite some time, which is actually nice to see. But had a beautiful spike in 2022 there. They all deflect and say, but what are you doing to build? But lying is okay. Exactly, Jay. Exactly. You know, deflection is an absolute defense mechanism. It is real. It works, but it's not something that leaders should be doing, right? Anytime you see a leader using any sort of a defense mechanism, who's leading who there? You know, they're just leading you astray at that point. It's not something good. According to the website, only 650,000 will be in circulation. Of the T-Pad or this Chronotech? I own Bricks, Honorarium, Jupiter's, Glowstone, man. I gotta look up Glowstone, Outdoor Smile, and AMC. What are my chances? Outdoor Smile. I would say that is a more aggressive portfolio. If I had to rate it, I would say that's a more aggressive portfolio. Honorarium is probably one of your safer bets at the moment because a lot of bros hold it and probably plan on holding it, so that you might not see a huge price decline there. AMC, if Adam Aaron's in charge, dude, I'd say your chances are probably bad. Glowstone, I gotta pull that up in a second. Jupiter, now I don't know if that's the Jupe we just looked at this morning, but you're probably doing okay on that one. And then Bricks. I don't mind Bricks either. Bricks was looking good yesterday, the day before, whenever we checked it. But I don't know if it's ready to break out or if it's ready to pull back off that resistance line it was testing. Let's see. Glowstone. Glon. Nope, not blonde. Glan. Don't know where Glan is. How do these guys still got 30 grand in the liquidity pool? How do you have 30 grand in the liquidity pool and a $29,000 market cap? That don't make sense to me. Man, these guys need to make it big in the Terra Luna Classic community again. This day here, when they were ripping $60,000 in volume, that was a good day. Hey, the good news is, though, Outdoor Smile, they don't need a ton of volume because they have such a low market cap. They don't need a ton of volume to drive that price higher. So, I'm trying to look at it glass half full for you, man. Hopefully, you're good to go. Chronotech is Australian. Glowstone, forget it. Team has given up on it. Peter says, forget Glowstone, man. It's gone. It's gone. 650 deep ad. All right, Giovanni, gotcha. Chronotech is Australian. Well, I guess there's some good Australians out there, right? They can make something. Chronotech looks good. Can see many businesses using it. Well, dude, it looked good. It looks real good if it 20x's again to get back up to those 2020 highs. Bought it at 2120, and they have a lot of projects, all called X projects. DK, man, very good. Thank you very much. Seriously, man, it does look like a good project based on its price performance. Okay, I have no idea what they're doing, and it is near impossible for me to look up and understand the utility of every single token. But that one actually did look good. The fact that it's been around since 2017, 2018 is promising as well, that it hasn't died out. Where can you get Chronotech? KuCoin, Gate.io. Okay, Coinbase's exchange there. Bybit, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap. Huh. It's an Ethereum token, though. Mexi. Where did you buy it at, man? Did you grab it on KuCoin or where? Let's see. I have a crap ton of that garbage. Outdoor Smiles, the #1 holder of Glowstone. Chronotech looks good, so I'm very interested in Chronotech. All right, it's Giovanni, man. I'm very interested in anything that can 20x increase. You know what? I think there might be. Oh, no. I think, speaking of crap ton, right? I think buttload actually is a legitimate measurement. Just hold on. I'm not going to Google buttload in front of you guys, but I do want to Google crap ton and see if it's a legitimate see if it's a legitimate number here. Oh man. Just go Google it. Just go. I'm not gonna pull all this stuff up, but just go Google it, and you guys can see the unit of measurement. Pudgy can get his answer for what a crap ton is. Okay, they've got your measurements there. Pudgy, you'll like them. Bitcoin, man, as we're ending the live stream here, that Bitcoin is rolling up to test $44,000 per coin. Bitcoin rolling from 43.5 over the last 5 minutes to 43.760. Shiba Inu coin trying to come alive at the same time, 911 points per coin. Bitcoin is unstoppable, man. Ethereum following Bitcoin to a T. The exact price movement over the last 5 minutes here. I mean, you can't even look at these two charts and really tell the difference between them. This is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Which one's which? You guys don't even know. But Bitcoin sitting at 43,763 as the end of the live stream here. It is on a strong note. Guys, regional English measure of capacity of a heavy cart, a butt, containing 6 seams or 48 bushels, equivalent to 384 gallons. There you go, Pudgy. Now you know what a crap ton is, man. It's the difference of butt ton in my last cut. Gotcha. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here, having fun, keeping it awesome, keeping it going. We'll do these shout-outs, and I'll see you guys this afternoon, man. Pudgy, see you later. Giovanni, have a great one. Outdoor Smile, see you later. Giovanni, Pudgy, DK, man. We got Pudgy, Honorarium, Pudgy, Gorilla, Outdoor Smile, Peter, Pudgy, see you later, Outdoor Smile, Pudgy, Honorarium, Next Level, boom, later to you, man, Gorilla, see you later, Geoped, Giovanni, all of you guys, J-Bones, Moji, SD, anybody else in here, you know what time it is, Peter, you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.